standard form or scientific notation. All right. So if you guys doing the sciences, the teachers will use that word, scientific notation. Doing like chemistry, physics, biology. All right. Any of you guys doing those subjects? Chemistry, physics, biology?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. So I know that Mr. McCaman teaches you physics, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Come
sir.
on. I can definitely tell you that you will learn about scientific notation. Also in chemistry. And let me tell you, you use it most in physics and chemistry than anything else. All right. Now let me give you a little history about how they came about with scientific notation or standard form. So many years ago, and when scientists were and mathematicians, you know, when they were doing calculations, like for example, like when they had to do big numbers, like the calculating distance between the Earth and the Moon, and between Mars and Jupiter, and those long distances. All right, so there's a lot of maths involved in astrophysics and space technology and all of that. It's pretty amazing. A lot of math and physics. All right, and when these mathematicians and mind you, back in those days, they didn't have any computers, They didn't have those computers or scientific calculators. They had to do those calculations manually, and the technology wasn't so available. For example, Microsoft wasn't available. All right, and everything has to be done on paper. And when they're doing calculations, they find out why, adding in two number here and subtracting and multiplying and dividing this one is really difficult. All right. So when numbers are very, very large, it causes problem. The numbers are cumbersome. Also, when you're doing very small numbers, for example, if you're doing chemistry, looking at atoms, electrons, and the weight of atoms and the weight of an electron, all them something there. For example, gold element, or copper, or uranium for the reactor. You want to weigh something, and you have to do it very like 0.0000856 and 0.00000. What they found out is that, this can't go on, man. So what they do, they create a format. They create a format so you can write really large numbers and really small numbers in a unique and special way. And this is the format. And they call the format scientific notation or standard form. All right. By the way, anybody ever use a scientific calculator? And when they're doing some maths, you see something like 3.6 and you see times 10 to something and some power. You guys that ever appeared? You're doing some simple maths.
Yes, sir.
And earlier I tried to do the simple maths. This keep on coming up. I said, what the hell is that? All right. So it's a feature on your phone that when you work out certain things, your calculator actually gives you the answer in standard form. All right. All right. Oops. Okay. All right. So I'm going to show you the format for standard form. Right. All right. So this is the format. 1 to 10 multiply by 10 to a number up here. So this is the format. It's 1, any number between 1 and 10 times 10 to a certain number. Notice I said word any number between 1 and 10. If I say between 1 and 10, 1 and 10 is not included. Would you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So is that still like 1.1 or 9.9. So 1 and 10 can't be in it. All right. All right. So let me give an example. Convert the following to standard form. Right, so 3, 8, 7, 6. All right, look at this now. I want to convert this number 3,676 to standard form. All right, now what standard form, sir? The first number after the between 1 and 10. All right, so here we have now. Can somebody tell me where the decimal point is in this number?
Between 3 and 6.
All right, I think you're answering a question that I'm going to ask after I ask this question. But
sir, over N6.
Right, at the end of the 6, not true?
Yes, sir.
Right, so that's where the decimal point is, for every whole number,
Yeah.
So when I write 3, all right, a point is actually there. It is actually at the end, not true? All right. All right. So the point is actually right there. Now, so where would you put the decimal point so that this number becomes between 1 and 10?
Between 3 and 6.
Between the 3 and the 6, as you rightly said. So the answer is going to be 3.6. By the way, why, if I put the point right there, so why that wrong?
Because
Over 10.
Over 10. And if I put it right there, so it what? It less than 1.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right, because this will be 0.3 now. And that's less than 1.
Yeah.
All right, so it's 3.6 76 multiplied by 10 to a certain power. So here what I want to know. Let me show you how them get number is now. Now traditionally in maths, when you go to the left, it is negative, not true?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. On the number line, when you go left, that's negative. All right.
Yeah.
So, but it's in this case, going left means positive. So, how many places to the left did I go? Let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3. I go 3 places
Into third form.
to the left. Not true. And you think that that's going to be negative, but it's actually positive 3.
Left or right or right or
That
left.
is your answer. All right. Let me ask you a question. Suppose I have 3. Suppose I have 3.652, right? I have 3.652, and I multiply that by 10. What is that without using a calculator? Fast. Anybody knows?
Sure, you got work.
Sure.
No man, without a calculator. Anybody know this without a calculator? All right, here one. Is it because you have 1 0? The decimal point gonna move 1 place to the right. So I get 3. Yeah, go ahead.
36.5.
Okay, I didn't hear. I never hear here. Sorry about that. All right. So and then suppose I change the 10 to say 100. It moved
265.
Right, it moved 2 places to the right. That's true. And if I put 1,000 there,
3,652.
because I have 3 zeros, it moved what? 3 places to the right. All right. Watch out now. Hold on. Hold on. All right. Okay. So let me ask a question now. Can someone tell me what 10 to the third power mean?
10 times 12 3 times.
Right. That's
Times.
10 times
10.
what? 10
Times 10.
times 10. All right. What's 10 times 10 times 10?
1000.
1,000. All right. So you would agree with me that 10 to the 3 right here, so is actually what? 1,000, not true? How much zero
Yes,
that have? How much zero that have?
3.
3. So here what, you know? If you were to multiply the 3.672 times the 1,000, because it have 3 0, the point gonna move 3 places to the right, not true?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And you
sir.
end up with the same what? Question.
Answer.
So I'm just proving to you that these two are actually correct.
Yes, sir.
So make a note of that, please. Do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Let me write it down.
Okay, write it down. Remember that right here, so it's a little example. This is just something.
Right on all of them.
Yeah. So this was actually the question, and this is the answer.
Wonderful.
Well, if you just join in and see all this markup, you'll be confused.
Sir,
Go ahead.
for number 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
You move decimal 3 times, 3 place up.
To the left, right.
Yes. Why though?
Okay, good. Because it's a standard form. It's a standard form. It's up here, sir?
Yes,
It's a
sir.
standard form. Standard form, sir. This is the first number after between 1 and 10.
Oh, the first number.
Right. Which is right here, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you put the point between 3 and 6, you get 3.6, and 3.6 is actually between 1 and 10. If you put the point between 6 and 7, you're gonna get 36.7. But 36.7 is actually more than 10. If you put it where the 3 is, you get 0.3, which is actually less than 1.
Oh, so I understand now, sir.
Alright, cool.
Because I never quite understand why you didn't move it 3.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I'm going to do over the weekend is that everything that you've learned, and I'm going to post it on the Google Classroom, right? I'm going to put some notes, all the YouTube video links. I'm going to also put it on the Google Classroom, right? So you have everything in order.
Yes, sir.
All right, so tell me when you finish.
Can you try to talk to him early, sir?
Sir.
Yes?
Sir?
Yeah?
Sir,
go
can I
ahead.
send the course in enter Google Classroom and WhatsApp group, sir?
The code. So you're not,
Yeah.
No, send him a link that he can join the classroom.
Okay, so I don't understand. But no, guess what, man? No, you cannot join the classroom. You have to get a special email from your form teacher.
Yes, sir. Me have that, sir, but sir, it's alright. Never mind.
All right. I will I will. You know, some nothing no we can. All right, I'll send it. But you see, if you don't have the email, it now go on the system. All right, so I'm gonna move on to the next slide.
So have an email.
All right. I can still send it still. All right, so you what now? That was example number 1. Example number 2. All right, suppose I have something like this. All right, so I want to convert this number to what? To standard form. All right, so what we're going to know, remember saying that the first number has to be between what? 1 and 10. So where am I going to put the decimal point?
7.
Between the 7 and 8.
Between, no, if I say where, you have to give me 2 numbers between the 7 and 8. Right,
Yeah.
so why between 8 and 6 will be wrong?
Straight over
Past
10.
10.
Right, and if I put it there, less than 1. So the ideal place is between the 7 and 8. So I have 7.86
6.
multiplied by, watch out now, am I going to the left now? No,
Alright.
going to the right. Alright, and notice our count. Notice our count. How you count? You count from 1, 2, 3, or 0? You start counting from 0.
Answer.
Yeah, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's times 10. No, guess what, man? A while ago, we go to the left. All right, and we said that, and we said that traditionally going to the left means negative, but this topic it's positive. So if I go to the right now, technically it will be what?
Negative.
Negative. So it's going to be negative what?
4.
Negative 4. That's the answer. Let me put 2 questions for you to try quickly. So write those 2 numbers in standard form quickly.
Sir, the number 3 don't have a decimal.
Because the whole number.
Decimal, yeah.
It's about decimal, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's about decimal.
Done.
Alright, boys. Let's do some other person. Alright, who wants to tell me what the answer for the first one is? Identify yourself by your name, sir. Who wants to go?
Repeat what you just said.
Alright, no, I'm just saying if you're gonna explain number 3, just tell us your name.
Oh.
Anybody? Alright, let me give you some more time.
Sir,
Yeah, yes, boss.
Ankel Cooper, sir.
Alright, you try number 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
7.681 times 10 trees.
Times 10 to the 3rd power.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are indeed correct. Would you agree, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Any takers for number 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Antonio Clacken.
Okay.
1.38 times 10 to negative 4. 4.
The short answer 4?
A
Three.
3.
Negative
Sir.
3.
It's negative 3 here.
Yes, sir.
Accidentally add one different thing.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Add one 0. That's right, sir.
All right. Are we clear on this?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm gonna switch the screen. I'm gonna go back to the worksheet. Anybody writing?
No, sir.
All right.
Oh.
Okay. So question number 2.
Yes, sir.
Give it a try.
Yes, sir. E.
Just like that. Yeah, it's correct. It's actually what? What's the answer?
A.
Answer is just A, not true?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. Very good. Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
Right. So much can be easy.
A different point of view, sir.
Right,
All
that's-
I talk with them easy.
That's true. That's true. That's true. All right. Anybody remember if we did this question here? Number 8.
Kind of.
We did it.
No, sir, we never did it.
All right.
We never do that, sir.
All right. You want to give that a try?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, give it a try. It's a sequence question.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, A.
Hold on. You can't bet you get that. Yes. All right, sir. What's it now? 22, 33, at the most 44. No, it's wrong. It's not A. No, guys. No, just try to work it out.
Oh. Oh.
Sir, I'll be an answer.
All right.
B, sir.
All right. I'm just okay. Let me give you 30 more seconds for others to figure it out.
No, sir, I only see an answer.
Yes, sir. C.
Okay, person are saying C.
I see
Alright.
an answer.
All right. So you are going. If you get C, tell me where you get C.
All right, sir. So, enough explaining, yes, sir.
Huh?
Enough explaining.
Man, you must be away, man.
Sir.
You must.
Sir.
Yeah.
He 136. I want add number. It go up by 5. And then it go up by next add number we are 7.
Mm-hmm.
9.
And then
Right.
it go up by
Right.
add number.
It must be a reason, brother. Let me tell you, you can't get the answer without a reason. So basically, if you subtract 1 from 6, you get 5. Subtract 6 from 13, you get what?
7.
7. Subtract 13 from 22, you get 9. Subtract 22 from 30, you get what? 11. So you notice these numbers then go up by 2, not true? So if, oh, by the way, 5 plus 1 gives you 6. The 7 plus 6 give you 13. The 9 plus 13 give you 22. So if you want to know the number right here, so if this is 11, then this must be what? 13.
13.
So add 13 plus 33 and that will give you 40.
6.
Let's do it first. Leon to the chair. Leon, good
No,
job. Row 4, red. Put your left hand on row 5, red. Row 5, red.
I think I accidentally removed somebody a while ago. Sorry about that here. I was trying to mute the noisy background and I pressed something wrong. Alright. Alright guys, so can I move on? Yeah, I know I have 3 minutes, but I wouldn't mind doing some more questions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright. Yeah man, because okay. Probably only one more question we can do still, you know.
Sir, run the next question now, sir.
Too easy man. What I want here? Something different. Percentage. Anybody have any idea how to do this? I sent a video link in the WhatsApp group early this morning. A question like this, the same exact question was actually worked out.
Yes, sir, they're watching. Now finish.
By the way, let me tell you something. You see them video, you have to sit down and watch and pause like a study, you know. You can't sit down and watch like a TV or watch or a movie or watch. I don't say go. You have to like sit down with a book and, you know, just go through the whole entire thing. Alright?
Yes, yes.
Alright, so let me just explain as quickly as possible. Okay, let me tell you what some students will incorrectly do. If you find 12.5% of 40, I get it wrong. If you read the question says, if 12.5% of a sum of money is 40, what that mean? 12.5% of one of these responses will give you 40. So if you find 12.5% of 40, that's going to be wrong. As a matter of fact, let me tell you the man is smart. The man put the wrong answer first. If you find 12.5% of 40 in it, the answer is 5. So the wrong answer is the right answer. Remember the question we did a while ago? And one of you guys got
45.
Like 44? Was it 44?
45 they did, sir.
Hold on. I'll go back.
No man, sir, 44.
Right, what's now? Someone say, alright, what's now? 22, 33, almost 44, and the wrong answer, the right
yes,
answer.
sir.
So, sorry, answer. Yeah, hear me answer 500.
Hold on.
Last month, sir.
Alright, what's now? Alright, tell you, I won't be able to work it out because I've less than a minute, but here what? It couldn't be A nor B. Because
but we say 500 B.
Yeah, no, let me just explain something. It can't be A nor B because 12.5% of 5 can't give you 40, not true?
Yeah.
And 12.5% of 45, I don't think that will give you 40. So it's either between 320 or 500. It's actually 320.
That's 500.
Come on, at 320.
320?
Yeah.
Oh.